Assalamu alaikum. I am Sumbal Rana, student of MSc Honours Food Technology at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. So here I will summarize my research work which I carried out during my degree. The field of my research was meat science and my research topic was the impact of frying medium on the functional components of Aseel breast meat. So first of all, what is Aseel? Aseel is an important indigenous breed of poultry which is reputed for its fighting for its very delicious meat quality. So here is the purpose of research. The purpose of my research was to compare the impact of oil frying, which is a traditional method, and air frying, which is a modern technique, on Aseel breast meat, that how these both frying mediums affects the different attributes of meat. Because during this frying time many chemical and many biochemical reactions takes place which have significant effect on the functional components of meat. Then comes to the methodology, which is about that what did I do during my research. First of all, I bought the slaughtered Aseel chicken from the market and separated the breast samples. Then I fried the some breast samples with air frying at different temperature like 160, 170 and 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes, and some of the samples were fried by oil frying with the same protocol. Then comes to the results. The results I got were quite satisfying. The key findings of my research is that air frying preserved the protein structure of meat more effectively than oil frying. Air frying significantly minimized the lipid oxidation, which promotes a healthier product. Oil frying resulted in a higher level of lipid oxidation. Why? Because oils are high in unsaturated fat, so it causes a potential health risk. The main parameter of my research was the creatinine content. Creatinine is basically a chemical waste product generated from the muscle metabolism. It is produced from creatine, which is known as a molecule for energy production in muscles. So talking about the creatinine content results, there was a significant results I got. Air frying preserves creatine content better, that result in lower creatinine level compared to the oil frying. It is because due to the reduced oxidative conditions which is linked with air frying. So here are the results of some other parameters of meat. We can see here the comparison between the oil frying and air frying. In some parameters like in terms of flavor, oil frying gives good flavor. But if we go for a healthy product, the air frying is the best option. So these are the key findings of my research, that we should prefer air frying if we want nutrition from the product and we want a healthy product. But there is an option that we can use the combination of both techniques like air frying and brief oil frying to get the desired texture and a healthier product at same time. Thank you.